Hello friends! Today I want to share with you another work with my sparkling fairies by Marcelo. I'm going to use this blue one inspired by Christmas ornaments, and I'm going to use some cardboard, some paper to make a little greeting card, or I don't know, art journal. This will be an inspiration for you. I'm going to use this glitter adhesive, glitter tape, and I cut this shape with this tool. I'm going to make a night landscape, and I'm using this navy blue paper to have these shapes, these creative shapes, like oriental shapes, I don't know, like a city, a night city landscape. I want to show how we can make it a beautiful solution quickly and with little tools, little materials. Look, with the white gel pen I'm doing some details here. We can journal here, we can doodle. This is just an example for you. I want to make an art journal with this technique for my sketchbook, for my journal. Some stars. This is a Christmas landscape. It's really easy. Some dots, some stars. Now I'm going to use a puncher to make some shapes like moons, suns, to decorate this sky, this night sky. Yes, I want to make some details. How imagine the sky decorated by Christmas, for Christmas. I don't know, use your imagination. You can create the story you want, the landscape you dream of. Here you can use also a thin ribbon, or you can draw these lines. It's really simple. And now I glue the little fairy. And I'm going to write the text, a message. I thought about Merry Christmas, but you can use this as a greeting card, a birthday card, I don't know. You can make a collage in the front of a gift pack, I don't know. As I said before, some journaling. Remember, this is not a tutorial, it's just to inspire you to share something I create with my little fairies. You can use your own stickers, die cuts, whatever you have at home available in your art studio, on your supplies. Sometimes we have to do a greeting card. We have no material available, and we can use our creativity to use what we have. Now I'm going to show the second model here. I'm going to use this red one, this red fairy, also inspired by the Christmas ornaments. Now I'm going to make a background using markers. I'm going to make a plaid background, and after that we fold on a paper like this in two, and we cut some shape, natural shape, free. I don't like to draw first. And we have a Christmas ornament. Remember those antique glass balls, glass ornaments? Those glitter ones, I use some tape, glitter tape. And now I decide the position, and I'm going to glue everything. The first layer with a gold marker. I'm going to make some details and decorations at these ornaments, some flowers, some hearts, some arabesques. You can look online, there are a lot of examples for you to inspire you. Some spirals, one here. Now I'm using only the gold marker, and after that I'm going to use the white gel pen to some highlights, little details here. Also, you can scan this background and use as a wrapping paper, as a scrapbook paper. Now I'm going to glue the fairy. Write a message, Merry Christmas, and make a little ornament in the here with some snowflakes. And those are the examples for today. I hope this inspires you to create and use your materials. And if you want to see more of my work, you can go to my Facebook page by Marcelo or my Instagram account by Marcelo Carboni. I hope you like this, and see you at the next project, next video. Bye bye!